Hi guys, I hope that you're doing great today. Guys, I was walking, meditating, and was thinking why so many people are unhappy when they see somebody is cheerful, happy, glowing. Why it makes people angry? Why are so many people like possessed by darkness that you like irritates their demons? Why not to just open heart for love, for goodness, uh, help each other? Why not to spread love, light, and happiness around themselves? Can you imagine this world? The people around you always give you cheers, always happy for you, always bringing your soul up. Why people do not want to help some soul who lost in this matrix, just to raise their soul up, help them with recommendations, suggestions, bring them up, show them love, show them kindness, care about them. Can you imagine this world will be an amazing place just if someone will get together and understand why they're here. We're here not to spread anger, jealousy, hate. No, we're here to spread love, light, positivity. Guys, just think about it. How world will be much better place if everyone will love each other and help each other. Guys, it's just a random message. I was walking and meditating, and I just wanted to share that. Guys, I wish you only the best day, the rest of the best day, and stay positive, guys. I love you. Bye bye.